YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. It's been about a week, so I thought I would record a video and just give you guys a little update on what's going on with me. I am using my Glamour Liz hand. I'm still really not used to using this. I did this look that I'm doing on my silicone hand on a client, and I totally didn't record it, so I thought I would show you guys what I did step by step and the things that I used, and to let you know that your girl passed her exit exam at school. So this week will be my last week of school. And yeah, your girl is done. Then I'm going to get some studying in to take my state board. I'm not going to take my state board right away. I'm going to wait like maybe a month because I really want to study. I want to take it once and that's it. So the first thing I am doing is going in with some tips. I don't know where these tips are from. I did get these in a nail swap. I absolutely love them. They got like a little curve, and curved nails are back in style. So I figured why not use these? I would actually wear these tips myself. I actually like them. I am using my D&D drill. I have to give you guys an update on things that I regret buying because this is definitely one of them. If you are a new nail tech and you are looking at this, please do not splurge on an expensive drill right away. Find your way through your journey and just pick up something really inexpensive off Amazon or maybe another nail tech that sell drills. Do not spend over $100 on a drill just starting out. So I did go in and prep and prime just because I want to get in the habit of doing that. I feel like when I do practice on my silicone hand that I skip that step. And then when I'm doing nails, I find myself almost ready to skip it, or I actually have been skipping it. So what I am doing is I didn't go in and cut the nail any. I wanted to keep the nail the same length. I wanted some long nails. What I am going in with is a shade from the Pro Nail Bar. If you guys don't know, the Pro Nail Bar is my nail supply company, and this is one of my colors. This color is so beautiful. It's like in between a pink and like a purple, if that's the way you want to describe it. I don't have a name for it yet, but it's so cute. So if you follow me on Instagram, you should. If you don't, I'm nailed _by shy, SHY. Follow me over there. All the acrylics I've been using lately is actually my own acrylics. I can't wait to show you guys what they are. They are very beginner friendly. If you can see here, I am able to add my bead, go in and mold it. It's self-leveling. It's really, 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 really good. So yeah, I'm just going in, and you guys know I like to work with rather wet beads. I really don't have to really work with wet beads with this acrylic because it gives you time to mold it. You can actually play with this. It won't lock up on you and dry. And yeah, that's just it. I hope everyone is taking care of themselves. I am finished my first semester at school on this next degree. I only have about 4 or 5 days off. You guys know if you are in college, summer courses go really fast and they're crammed with a lot of work. So I've been really, really stressed out about that. So now I am going in and just adding my beads here. I did notice there was something in my acrylic, like a piece of lint. So I did go in and scratch that out. And I'm just patting it down and smoothing the nail back out. Again, this is very beginner friendly, so I was able to still make sure my nail has some smooth application. So I am going to start making some videos at the school. I talked to the owner. So if you are interested in signing up for nail school, or if you only can go online and look at videos to help with your techniques, these are some videos that you guys would definitely want to check out. I do have like a mini tour of the school coming. I think I'm just going to do the nail area and just show you guys what we do there. I'm going to do that this week before I leave. But I already told her once I leave, I'm still going to be coming back up there. The school is so dope. If you are looking for a school and you are in the Philadelphia area, you do not want to miss the tour. It'll save you a trip. Gas is real high, so you'll see if it's something you are interested in. I'll go over pricing. And they do have other programs. It is a cosmetology school. It's not just a nail school. So, yeah. For some reason, my silicone hand on the pinky, I am like really timid when it comes to moving the hand. So I just did the application on there as best as I could. And then, yeah, moving on to the next step. I just showed you guys what it looked like when I got done. And now I'm just going in with an 80 grit file, shaping the nail up some. I really don't like to go in with my drill on my silicone hand. So I do use the 80/80 grit to rough up the file, and I go in and I buff. I believe I only show y'all 1 or 2 fingers of me filing because it's so repetitive, and I really don't like my videos to be long unless they are an in-depth video about something. So after that, I am going in and French tipping. I've been French tipping everybody. You hear me? Everybody want French tip, and I'm so happy because I can finally do it. So I am going in with a long liner brush and just carving out the shape of the French tip that I want. And then once I have the shape that I want, I do go back in with that bigger brush and fill it in. These gel polishes that I'm using today are from Amazon. I did haul these in my, I think I hauled them in my favorite gel polishes, or gel polishes you guys should use for press-ons. I will link them down below. These are so good. You get about 24 to 29 in a box, and it's about 20 something dollars. Really good. As you can see, really opaque. They are more on the smaller side, but the color packs a lot of punch. You don't have to constantly go over to get the color that you want. So again, just repeating that step. I really like how the color acrylic is playing off on the deeper purple that I added on the nails here. Really cute. Leave some video suggestions down below. I did talk to one of you guys in my inbox about the Nail Tech State Board test, and then I did talk to one of you guys on one of my videos. If you want me to go inside my nail book and do breakdown videos step by step, just like I think we use my lady, and I think the first chapter is like ancient history of nails, and then it goes on to I think the second chapter is talking about like business-wise sanitation. If you want me to make videos like that, let me know. We can practice together. And here I'm just going in with a double-ended dotted tool. We all have this. If you got a beginner nail kit, it probably came in it, and you probably don't even use it. But this is what you can use to do the crocodile shape, or you can use a really small liner brush. So that's what I'm doing here, just going in and lining up the lines the way that I feel like I want them. I like to make sure one side match the other and they are the same size. Here I did accidentally put a little bit on the other side, but no worry. And now I'm just going in with a top to my monomer that I use at school and dipping it into some clear powder by Young Nail. And yeah, this step is really repetitive. It's very easy. I suggest if you really don't know how to do this and it's your first time, just go in on a swatch stick and just try to repeat these steps before you go in and do it on yourself. I will post like 3 to maybe 4 videos this week. I do have what's in my kit already recorded, and actually some things are missing from my kit because some of my stuff went missing at school. Y'all know when I packed my kit, I OD. Yeah, and I accidentally left like some of my powders on my nail station that I got in my kit, and they went missing. So they won't be in the kit, but I will show y'all what they look like. So yeah, I do have that coming, and I think I'm going to do a haul on nail tech attire, like what do I wear when I do nails. I try to look decent for the most part, you know, like tights and a t-shirt with nice flat shoes, but I'm going to show you guys some outfits to wear when you are doing nails. I personally haven't really been on camera just because I've been a hot damn mess. I'm all over the place, like I told y'all before. Nail school and then me being in actual college is so much. It's like really stressing me out. I feel like I look stressed out, so I have not been wanting to be on camera, but I'm going to pop in and talk to y'all. I'm actually revamping my beauty room so that it is my nail recording space, not actually where I do nails and take clients, but where I record, because that area is just like so much more prettier. I can do more. So yeah, that's what I have going on with me. And just finishing up this nail, I like how everything came out. You can do this with any color. If you've been watching me for a while, you guys, I hope that you guys can see how much I evolved from last year up until this year. And to me, that's the goal for myself, and it should be the goal for you. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. You have to start somewhere. I used to be very intimidated with doing anything out of my comfort zone, but that's the only way I am going to grow as a nail tech. Here I'm going in with the diamond top coat from Pro Nail Bar. Love this. It's really has nice high shine, and I don't want to take this up on the other part because I do want that to look like a matte finish, and then I want this area here to be glossy. So that's what I'm doing. So let me know down below what you guys think about this design. Do you like it? Can you see yourself wearing this? Me, I think I'm going to try this on myself. I do currently have like a purple crocodile look, but it's not the raised up one. So yeah, let me know. And here I am going in with some charms that I will have on my website, and this also is my diamond gel. All of these things will not be linked down below yet. I will not be linking stuff until July. My goal is July 1st. So I'm sorry for any inconvenience. If you are watching this video and you're interested in anything I'm using today, just check back, please. And I thank you for the support. So here I'm just going in and glossing up the cuticles a little bit because this makes everything look so much better. And this is what everything looks like. Let me know what you guys think. So cute. Don't forget, if you watched all the way to the end here, please give me a comment, give me a thumbs up. It helps other people find my video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.